Music One has a smooth interface with all of the major brands of digital broadcast units. If a Music One user begins using a new digital system that's not already installed, we usually custom create an export interface for that system. Also, we built in a function with which you could custom create your own log file for a digital audio system if need be. To set your automation interface, open the Music One Options System Parameters window, then click the Automation tab. The Format field has a drop-down menu. Click it open, and you see there are more than 50 different exports available. Some of the more widely used systems like Audio Vault Inco and Digilink have several variations of log exports. If you're going to create a special log file, you'll need to make the custom selection. Then, you can define exactly the kind of file you need in the Music One Log Definition section. We'll give you personal instruction about how to do that. After you've clicked in your digital unit selection, you'll tell Music One where to save the log file each day with the Import Folder field. If you simply type a name into the field, as we have here, then Music One will create a subdirectory and save the log files there. If you entered A: in the field, then Music One would save it to diskette. Usually you'll type a network path, something like this. The On-Air folder is used when you have Music One reconcile the original log with the final as-played log. If you want, you can import your commercials into Music One, and if you do that, you'll get a precise tabulation of the total amount of content in each hour of the day, and there will be much less need to overschedule hours as so many stations have to do to allow for the fluctuations of commercial content from one hour to another. Music One can then send a fully merged log to the automation system, or you could import the commercial logs just for timing. Then you could tell Music One to not include the commercials in the exported log, and you could have your digital unit make the final merge of music and commercials. Sometimes people will have things that they want on their printed log that don't need to be included in the log file that goes to the automation system. In those cases, the printed units will not have a machine location or audio file number. So by checking the box here, you can tell Music One to only include units that have audio data in the log file.